Did you know a king's enemies once executed him twice, just to feel safe? Oliver Cromwell led a revolution that shook England to its core. He put King Charles I on trial, signed his death warrant, and had him beheaded in 1649. No English king had ever been executed by his own people before. Cromwell ruled for nearly a decade. Then in 1658, he died quietly in his bed. But when the monarchy was restored 3 years later, that wasn't enough. The new king needed to make a point, so they dug Cromwell up. They dressed his rotting corpse in military uniform, dragged it to Tyburn Gallows, and hanged it in chains before a massive crowd. Then they cut off his head and stuck it on a spike outside Westminster Hall. It stayed there for 25 years. Think about what that tells you. The most powerful men in England were still afraid of a dead man. One person had shaken the throne so badly that killing him once simply wasn't enough.